So, what do? You're writing a book, and in the middle of writing the book, one night you are awakened from a sound sleep by the presence of an otherworldly being in the bedroom with you. It's Pan, Lord of the Wilderness. He has a message for mankind, and he wants a chapter in the book. What do you do? Do you say this is insane? I want to have nothing to do with it. Well, I thought it was pretty insane, but Pan had a really good message, and it was that nature can clean the earth for us. What the heck it does, and can do other phenomenal things for mankind. And what nature wants from us is to appreciate what it does for us. He said, grow something. Well, maybe he came to me because at that time I was growing a lot. I was in fact a farmer, and my main crop was peppers. I loved growing peppers, and in fact I supplied the local Mexican restaurant with beautiful colored red, yellow, green, sweet peppers, poblanos, anchos, jalapenos. I used to bring in my bags of peppers to them every week, and the people just loved their food. And a lot of it were these gorgeous organic peppers that I was growing. So I did put the chapter in the book. It's called Message from Pan. The book is called The Golden Ones, and its revised edition is called When We Were Gods. Now, this is the really interesting thing. After the book was published, basically it was out there, I couldn't change it anymore. Pan's message was out in the world. I had the most amazing garden. I had peppers the size of squashes. I love sunflowers, and I just grow them because I love them. And I had sunflowers that were just huge. And in fact, I had one that was so tall that the local newspaper came and did an article on it for the front page of their living section. I got to experience proof of the phenomenal things nature can do for us. All we have to do is appreciate it, notice it more, be thankful and grateful, and grow something. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much.